Prophet, do you know why you're here today?
They say I'm coming to do
It's called a whip.
whip.
And then you whip.
Yeah.
No. Not with the belt. You understand? Like this. With your hand.
Yeah.
No, you whip without the belt.
Yeah.
Stinky leg.
Yeah. It's right here. Yeah. See that?
My leg is stinking. My leg is stinking, eh? It's stinking, it's stinking, it's stinking, it's stinking.
See, that's a dance, but that's a normal for the people in my culture. See that black? That means that's good. It's good use. Okay, so I do that dance. No. The first one you do with it's one after another. Diri. Okay, first thing you. Any qualité viande, diri. And then one after another. And then
So, like that.
yeah, and if you want
Like that.
if you get creative.
Oh, I'm Millie Walker. Some zoom.
From one to the
Chocolat.
other. Okay.
Some zoom.
And then you rotate it.
Oh, zoom au chocolat. Zoom au chocolat.
There we go. Take steps from side to side.
Huh?
From steps from side to side.
I'm giving air to my arm. Hey.
Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Bouillon.
And you get one.
Zoom. Right there.
Occasional loop around your head.
I don't understand.
Well, you're gonna put one foot in front of the other. You're gonna put one foot in front, one foot in the back.
Okay. Like that?
Right, and then you just kind of shuffle.
Ready?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Yeah. Turn things out a little bit.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I did that. Oh. I did that. What are you doing? This is the Fit de Commerce challenge. No. You're not doing this, okay? Okay, you know the dance.
Okay?
It's fine.
I watched that on YouTube.
Okay. You know the dances.
Tic-tac-toe, traînez-vous. Tic-tac-toe, traînez-vous. Tic-tac-toe, traînez-vous. And come.
Put one foot in front of the other.
What?
And you're going to stand to the side. Okay? And you're going to tiptoe and bounce, you like on your tiptoes back and forth on each toe. Like this here.
Like that.
Yeah, but lean back with it. Keep your structure straight.
You see? You say lean with it, eh? No. I'm coming here in 2003. I'm lean with it. Yeah?
No. This is the
Walk with it, eh?
No.
In the third in the sky.
No.
Boom!
Alright. Where do you go?
Check this out.
Where do you go?
I go by the name.
I sell mallet too, man.
You already
I sell suitcase.
Okay, just keep the suitcase down for a moment. Okay. Harlem Shake.
Just off your shoulders. And take a shake.
Harlem Shake.
Harlem Shake.
Harlem Shake.
Oh, you're killing it.
Harlem Shake.
You're killing it.
Harlem Shake.
Right.
You want me to scratch that?
Stretch it.
So you're gonna raise one, drop the other. Raise one, drop the other. Now
Where's one? Drop the other.
right there.
Okay.
Now speed up a little bit. Rotate the shoulders.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. You like that, eh? I can do that in the body. Scratch that.
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Please, tell them to do that way. Bend over.
Get faster. Go faster. 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 Get up now. Now hold on. Now. Yes. Wait, call an ambulance. Dog.
Right.
Dog, like
Kind of just.
They be like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why?
Right.
Cause all the girls love me.
Right.
Teach me how to Dougie.
And bob, you know, kind of bounce around in your little box. Yeah, there it is.
You look stupid, man.
No, it's fine.
No, you know what?
That's it is.
I'm going to do my dance, eh? You see? You see that? Just like that, eh? You put your hand on your heart like this, eh? Hey,
It's not the dance.
hey, hey. Quitte doggy, ma chère. What? Just like that. What?
that's the compa Dougie.
You know why? Cause all the girls love me. All I need
Coupe dans mi temps. Coupe dans the middle.
you to back it up and dump it.
I don't know what that. I'm fat. I'm fat somebody.
When they see you
Like I'm bad.
ain't nobody getting with my bro. I ain't from Dallas, but I need
I'm not from Dallas, but I'm from Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince Dougie.
I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Man, you just
Hey, do it. Come on. Do it. Do it.
Okay.
Ah. Get me say, eh? Ah.
Okay, alright, okay, fine. It's not the dance, but
What's that you do at this?
but I need town boogie. I show my moves on everybody trying to do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you.
That's like I'm fooling my foot right now.
Dudes love to
I'm
hate.
fooling my foot.
They try to ride it
I'm tired, man.
Teach me how to
Oh.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my Dougie.
The name is John. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. Yes, sir.